Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you solve your internet problem in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to solve your mobile internet problem in your Motorola phone, so guys you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve mobile internet problem in Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to solve your internet problem. Then I scroll. So I scroll it. And as you can see your phone system setting. So I tap here. As you can see this advanced, tap here. And as you can see your reset option. So I tap here. And as you can see your reset setting. This will reset all network setting including tap here. And guys, don't worry guys, you have any pattern, pin, password. So I draw your pattern, and guys you have pin, so enter your pin. And as you can see this red. Sorry friend, I paused the video because of sound. So guys, now you can see guys here this red reset setting. So guys tap here and guys please wait. Network setting has been reset. Then guys you can use your internet without any problem in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve internet problem in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.